Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them.
The allure of the American dream, starting your own business. It's a dream that has inspired countless individuals to take the leap and create something of their own. America, the land of opportunity, a place where innovation and hard work can lead to incredible success. It's a place where dreams can become a reality, especially the dream of starting your own business. The entrepreneurial spirit is alive and well, and it's calling out to you. As an F1 student, you're already taking a huge step towards a brighter future. Your journey has brought you here, and now, new opportunities await. Now you might be thinking even bigger, starting your own company. The idea of being your own boss, creating jobs, and making a difference in the world is incredibly appealing. Navigating the waters. F1 visa and business ownership can be quite the journey. First things first, let's talk about your F1 visa. This visa is your gateway to studying in the United States, but it comes with a set of rules and regulations that you need to be aware of. It's your ticket to studying in the United States, but it comes with certain rules, especially when it comes to working and owning a business. These rules are designed to ensure that your primary focus remains on your education. The F1 visa is primarily for students, meaning your main focus should be your education. This is the core purpose of the visa, and it's important to keep this in mind as you navigate your time in the US. Now here's the thing about owning a business on an F1 visa. It's not impossible, but it's not as straightforward as it is for citizens or green card holders. There are specific regulations that you need to follow, and understanding these is crucial. The key is understanding the regulations and finding ways to structure your business within those boundaries. This might involve some creative thinking and careful planning, but it can be done. Don't worry, we'll break down those regulations in a way that's easy to understand. We'll go through the key points and explain what you need to know to stay compliant with your visa requirements. We'll explore different business structures and how they align with your F1 status, making sure you can pursue your entrepreneurial dreams without jeopardizing your student status. This includes looking at options like forming a partnership or working with a US citizen. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding the rules of the game is crucial for success. By staying informed and following the guidelines, you can make the most of your time in the US and achieve your business goals. Laying the foundation for your business is crucial. Let's dive into the ABCs of LLCs, or limited liability companies. Now let's talk about LLCs, or limited liability companies. These entities are designed to offer a blend of the best features of corporations and partnerships. It's a popular choice for entrepreneurs, and for good reason. LLCs provide flexibility, protection, and ease of management. Think of an LLC as a protective shield for your personal assets. This means that your personal wealth is generally safeguarded from business liabilities. Imagine this: you're selling handmade jewelry online, and suddenly, a customer claims they had an allergic reaction to one of your pieces. This could potentially lead to a lawsuit. If your business is structured as an LLC, your personal belongings are generally protected from liability. This legal structure ensures that your personal assets are not at risk. That means your personal bank account, car, and house are safe. The LLC acts as a barrier between your personal and business assets. LLCs also offer flexibility in how your business is taxed. You can choose the tax structure that best suits your financial situation. You can choose to be taxed as a sole proprietorship, partnership, S corporation, or C corporation, which can be advantageous come tax season. This flexibility allows you to optimize your tax obligations. Plus, setting up an LLC is relatively straightforward, making it an attractive option for first-time entrepreneurs. The process involves filing the necessary paperwork with your state and paying a filing fee. But remember, even though an LLC offers great protection and flexibility, it's crucial to consult with an attorney to fully understand the implications for your specific situation, especially as an F1 student. Legal advice can help you navigate the complexities and ensure compliance with all regulations. In summary, an LLC can be a powerful tool for protecting your personal assets, offering tax flexibility, and simplifying the management of your business. It's a smart choice for many entrepreneurs looking to build a solid foundation for their ventures. The first brick: getting your EIN. All right, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of setting up your LLC. The first step? Getting your employer identification number, or EIN for short. Think of it like a social security number for your business. It's essential for opening a bank account, filing taxes, and hiring employees if you choose to do so down the line. Getting your EIN is actually quite simple. You can apply for it online through the IRS website. It's free, and you'll usually receive your EIN immediately. It's a quick and painless process, I promise. Once you have your EIN, you're well on your way to making your business official. It's a small step, but a significant one in the grand scheme of things. Remember, every successful business starts with a solid foundation, and your EIN is one of the first bricks you'll lay. Section 5. Building your business home. Registering your LLC. With your EIN in hand, it's time to give your LLC a name and a place to call home. This is where you'll choose a business name that reflects your brand and register it with your state. Each state has its own rules and regulations, so it's important to check with your Secretary of State's website for specific instructions. You'll also need to file something called Articles of Organization. Don't let the fancy name intimidate you. It's basically a document that outlines your LLC's basic information, like your business name, address, and the purpose of your business. Think of it as your business's birth certificate. It's an exciting step because it makes everything official. Once your LLC is registered, you'll receive a certificate of formation, which is like your business's official welcome letter to the world of entrepreneurship. Section 6. Essential permits and licenses. Navigating local regulations. Now that your LLC is officially registered, it's time to make sure you're compliant with all the necessary permits and licenses. This part can seem a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll break it down. The specific permits and licenses you'll need will depend on your business type and location. For example, if you're selling food products, you'll need to obtain a food handler's permit. If you're operating out of a physical storefront, you'll need a business license from your city or county. The best way to navigate this is to check with your local Small Business Administration office. They offer free counseling and resources to help you understand the specific requirements for your business. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to legal compliance. Section 7. The Balancing Act. Maintaining your F1 status. Starting a business while on an F1 visa is like walking a tightrope. You need to maintain balance to succeed. Your primary focus needs to remain on your education. Your business activities should be secondary to your studies. This means dedicating the majority of your time and energy to your coursework, attending classes regularly, and maintaining good academic standing. Your business should not interfere with your academic obligations. It's also crucial to consult with your designated school official about your business ventures. They can provide guidance on maintaining your F1 status while exploring your entrepreneurial aspirations. Remember, open communication is key. Section 8. Potential challenges and solutions overcoming obstacles. Starting a business comes with its own set of challenges, and being an F1 student can add another layer of complexity. But hey, entrepreneurs are known for their resilience and problem-solving skills. One common challenge is securing funding. As an F1 student, you might not be eligible for traditional bank loans or venture capital funding. But don't worry, there are alternative options available. Consider bootstrapping, crowdfunding, or seeking out grants specifically for international student entrepreneurs. Another hurdle you might face is finding the right team to support your venture. Networking events, student organizations, and online platforms can connect you with potential co-founders, mentors, or advisors. Remember, you don't have to do it all alone.